You're recording.
Hello. Hello, everybody. How do we look?
We look fabulous.
No, where do we look?
We look right there. Hi.
Where did we go today? We went to the Goodwill and
Savers. Right.
in Placentia.
Placentia, California.
On your Belinda.
Right, in your Belinda. And we found some wonderful buys. And Lisa.
I will remake them.
Yeah, she's got to stop laughing.
Okay, so we got this little wood thing that we're gonna remake somehow. We're not sure how yet, but it was $4.99.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And we also found these.
Which, according to Brammy, are very, very old, right?
Right.
And they're authentic because they have chew marks on them.
And you don't find real wooden blocks anymore.
Correct. So I thought these would be cute, like, yeah, that one's pretty chewed up. The kid really bit into that one. I thought these would be cute, maybe if we put them on here.
Right?
Or is that too much?
Well, we're just in the trial stage, trying to figure out what to do, but we've got plenty of them. So, and the price on these today, and we got these from Savers, was just $2.99.
$3.99.
So,
The next thing we got, which I thought was super adorable and somewhat primitive, but we couldn't pass it up. A very old, no, I don't think it's that old. Do you think it's old?
it's probably not old, but the pattern on it is wonderful.
This was $7.99 and it's pretty much in like pristine condition. So we're gonna fold it up and just put it in a basket just to showcase it off. We could even put it on the back of a chair. Super
Right.
cute.
Super cute.
Someone put a lot of hard work into that. The next thing we got was this super heavy vase. Very heavy. Made in Spain. This was $7.99. I think we're gonna do some sort of like boho chic with the plaster of Paris to make it look like it. What's that look with the texture on it? Like stucco?
Stucco. Yeah. We're gonna do a stucco finish on this. Maybe wrap it with some cording. Not sure, but it'll be fabulous.
This is a little sign we got, bake me a cake, but we did not like this so much as the frame. It was super cute. So we'll probably paint this and do a new sign or maybe even just a picture. This was $5.99. And this is the one that I think we're both the most excited about. These 4 frames. These are wood frames and they're all a matching set. So this one has, you like what's in here now.
I like the cardboard look on the board here, but I think Lisa, she likes the print, but I think she may change this out to burlap.
Or some fabric or,
Some fabric.
and then I think we might do all of the frames in the same color. This one's really cute. Are these persimmons? Fuji? No.
They almost look like pomegranates, but they're
Oh, yeah.
not the right color really for a pomegranate.
Maybe they faded because these are lemons and these look really faded.
Right. But these were only $3.99 and they're a really nice wooden frame.
Yeah, they're all wood. This one's pretty cute. I like this one the way it is with the asparagus or artichoke.
Artichoke, right.
And the blue. But again, we'll probably do them all to match.
Great. So today was a good day, a productive day at Savers and at Goodwill. Always find great stuff that you can upcycle It's a good way to decorate your home. And Lisa's quite the upcycler. So thanks.
So yeah, whenever Jackie's in town, we have fun going around and thrifting and getting deals and decorating the house that way. And we've pretty much decorated this house, and I've decorated the river house in all thrifted items, which look high end. So
yeah, do you have something here in the house you can show?
all those books up there are thrifted. That's the only thing I can think of right now.
Oh, you've got a picture hanging on the wall in the family room.
Oh yeah, I have a bunch of artwork in the family room that I found that's thrifted, and those were from Goodwill. One's an original print, and a couple of other ones are really classic prints. Some mirrors. Yeah, you can find a lot of good stuff at thrift stores in the Goodwill and Savers. So our next video, we will actually be taking some of these items and refinishing them.
Right.
So we'll see you soon.
Look, thanks for watching. See you soon.